Hi guys, today just a very short video about sketching, okay? Let's do some really quick sketching. Let's see what happens, okay? Alright, so first of all, I want to just set up a side view, okay? And this time, to make those quick sketches, I'm going to use some felt tip markers, okay? Like this one, okay? So I start with the pen, and then I just go really quick. Not objective this time, it's not to make a super nice finished sketch, but it's really to make a quick sketch. Just to start making few experiences about shapes and proportions. So let's have fun just with this, okay? You see, it's starting to be nicer, and I'm starting to understand a little bit more what I'm doing. Okay, so now that I did that, what do? I take a marker, okay, a light marker, so I'm using a very light blue, okay, there you go, and let's just have fun with markers. You see? So now that I made this this marker layer, I just wait that it dries so that I can go back with the same marker and just change a little bit the tone value of the color. Okay, you see, I'm putting some extra details. This will help to show better the shape, because I'm creating a sort of shading, okay, so that I can see. And now that I did that, what do? I just search for a nice pencil color, okay, this one, which is a warm color, okay, and I just go in the center, okay. I will not go over the blue, because blue and yellow, they become green, okay, so don't ever forget that. So I just go here, look, all right, where the sunlight is hitting, okay, so that we can start having feeling of the sunlight. You see, I do a little bit of all right. Now that I did that, I'll just search for a gray, medium gray. This is a number 4. Okay. You see, I create the 3D effect of the wheels. Okay. So I just wait that it dries. I go back with my big black big pen, okay, and I'll just try to draw the door cuts of this car. Okay, now that this is done, I go back in the wheels and let's have just some nice graphics so that we can complete the quick sketch like that. I go back, I take my felt tip pen, okay, I make some lines like a lot of people, a lot of students do, which are on the outside so that it looks bigger, okay. Okay, and the last thing I want to do is to take a red pencil and just have some of my, it's a classical things that sometimes we do just to have fun. Okay, so those are all the tools that I used to make this sketch, okay? And I hope that this really super quick side view sketch can be useful to you as a very quick tutorial today, 1st of November 2018. Thank you.